Notice for a moment that awareness is not bolted to the space behind your eyes. It usually settles there for convenience, but nothing forces it to stay. Astral projection is simply placing a second point of perception outside the body and learning to operate from both viewpoints at once. First comes identity. You are the observing consciousness, not the flesh it inhabits. The body is an instrument, the mind a storehouse of habits. The experiencer remains independent. With that in mind, projection shifts from leaving the body to expanding where attention can rest. Reality offers two practice grounds. The shared physical universe is loud, shaped by collective agreement and hard to influence. Beside it lies a personal, privately generated space governed only by imagination. Training starts there because control is total and feedback immediate. Try this. Close your eyes and picture a single bright point. Stretch it into a line, then a sheet, then fold the sheet into a hollow cube of silent space. Inside the cube, conjure a mountain. Change its color, shape, or size until the scene responds as easily as moving a hand. That responsiveness confirms a stable personal dimension. Next, add and remove your point of perception. Hover above the mountain. On an easy breath, let awareness drift into the stone, then out again. Repeat until you feel genuine presence. When that is smooth, establish a second exterior viewpoint above an actual landmark you know. Alternate attention. Private mountain, real mountain, until shifting feels casual. Eventually, hold both streams at once, letting the quieter scene teach your nervous system to manage multiple channels of perception. Early impressions will feel like imagination, and at first they are. Treat them as the sketch phase of a painting, necessary but unfinished. With practice, flashes of vivid, unmistakable presence emerge. Brief, yet persuasive proofs that awareness can act beyond its usual limits. So is astral projection real? If real means a repeatable shift of consciousness that broadens perspective and produces consistent experience, then yes. Its reality grows in direct proportion to disciplined, curious practice, and to the clarity of one's own first-hand evidence.